DIG is one of the first of the discovery classes that we invented. This is a class that is about sustainable agriculture, thinly disguised as cooking, gardening, eating, and raising chickens. One of the first projects that we did, just to give you an idea of the sort of project-based nature of this kind of a class, is the students felt like it would be fun if we raised chickens in our garden. And we also managed like the composting system and helped kids to understand how that ties into the whole nutrient cycle and the carbon cycle. These students, actually these are 7th grade DIG students right now, they're going to begin their chicken unit as soon as they finish their seed saving unit. So we've been learning about different kinds of seeds, open pollinated seeds, seed sovereignty issues with diversity, all those kinds of things. And they're doing it in this very hands-on way. So they collected all these seeds in the garden this fall. They're researching them and making their own seed packets. And then they're going to be planting some of these seeds over here in their little seed trays and getting them out into the garden. We've come up with a whole map of the garden of who's using it. So DIG uses the garden as its laboratory for this class, but the garden is also used by a number of other programs, both in the middle and in the high school.
Okay, so I feel like this class is a lot different than my other classes, especially because we are able to experience like different things, try new things. For example, like we're able to get corn from the garden and turn it into popcorn to see which one can turn into popcorn and the others can't, and that's like really fun about this class. They get to try different things, and sometimes if one thing doesn't work out, you always will find a solution.
So in my old school, we didn't have a lot of clubs and like discovery classes like this one, and we didn't have like a kitchen and ability to be able to try new things or a garden. And in this school in DE, they have a lot of opportunities, not just in middle school, but in upper school. So once you want to pursue a certain dream and you grow up, you can do it from learning in middle school. And this one just stood out to me the most.